Introduction and disclaimer. This video shows all devices in a non-production environment. The devices, in most cases, are off or are fully unplugged from any external power source in order to clearly show the removal and replacement procedures and other aspects of the devices. The instructions in this video are current as of September 2014. Please consult the product manuals for the latest updates and instructions. Before watching this video, you should have already watched the caveats, disclaimers, and warnings video for required information. Net backup appliances have two modular power supplies for high availability operation. During normal operation, the power supplies are configured for an active standby operation. In this configuration, one power supply is used to provide power for the entire system, and the other is held in reserve. Should the active power supply fail, the system automatically shifts the load to the power supply that is held in reserve. You can gather information about the faulty power supply by viewing the LEDs from the front control panel of the 5330. If the power button and LED on the front control panel is amber, one or both power supplies may be faulty. The power supply modules are easily accessed from the rear of the unit. They are installed side by side on the left-hand side of the 5330. Each power supply contains an AC socket, switch, LED, and fan. The LED on the power supply provides information about the power supply status. Check the LEDs on the power supplies on the back of the 5330 to determine which power supply is faulty. You can use the following procedure to verify that the power supply is faulty. On the rear panel of the 5330 appliance, locate the power supply that has no LEDs lit. Make sure that the other power supply is functioning properly. Unplug the power cord from the power supply that has no LEDs lit. Wait for 2 minutes or for 3 minutes, and then plug in the faulty power supply cord. If no LEDs are lit, replace the power cord. To replace the faulty power cord, first locate the replacement power cord. Disconnect the power cord from the faulty power supply, and then follow the power cord back and disconnect the power cord from the power source. Insert a new power cord until it clicks into place. Plug the power cable into the power source and then plug the power cord into the power supply socket. The newly installed power supply should initially power on and then return to a backup mode of operation, and no amber LEDs should be lit if operating correctly. Dispose of the faulty power supply cord so that it cannot be used.